So about a month ago, I got my TurboGuard in the mail, but unfortunately it came without a T. So TurboGuard being nice, super fast actually getting back to me, they sent me one with a T. So I'm going to go ahead and just show you guys how to install it. I know most of you guys probably know how to do that, but I'll probably just basically give you a rundown on my car also. All you'll need is either an 8mm socket or a flathead screwdriver. Doesn't really matter how you line it up. Probably gonna want to have your clamp facing where you can tighten it nice and easy. If you want to show up, so you want to put it on. Probably have your clamp right here. I guess whatever's easiest for you. And then you'll just give her a nice little squeeze down when you're all ready. So as you can see, it looks really nice. It's really high quality. Doesn't look like it's going anywhere. I didn't have to get it on there too tight, just tight enough to where it won't fall off. We're actually going to wash the car, get it all nice for you guys, but instead I'm just gonna get to a nice spot. We'll check it out again and probably just end the video here today.